Hi and welcome to the first video of my Honda Elysion camper conversion. Insulation was the first thing that I did just because it's easier to access everything with no furniture in the van. The aircon vents sort of got in the way of the roof part of it, but taking them off with just some push clips managed to get all the foil next to the roof area. So the foil insulation is just a standard interior insulation which is almost just bubble wrap with tin foil. The outside edges are coated with the aluminium tape and it seals the area in to prevent any moisture getting in there when the van is in use. For the interior trim panels, I managed to get those off with some trim tools. It didn't take too long and it was quite easy. The Honda had pretty good clips on them because they didn't break when they were clipped off, which is sometimes the case on certain vehicles. So getting access to that allowed me to add some of the plastic insulation, so it's like recycled plastic fibre, and I fitted it into most of the door cavities. The one that you can see here is the big aircon unit, which takes up a lot of the space, so I couldn't put as much in there and I couldn't block the vent that comes into that because it takes the air in through that particular unit for the back of the van. Otherwise though, plenty of insulation in the rest of the panels and it works pretty well just to keep that heat in. There were some electronics to work around on the door panels. As you can see, there are quite a few wires and some control units, but I managed to work around this and get the insulation in between those. So as you can see, the plastic insulation is just essentially a fibre that doesn't attract mould.